The train now approaching Platform 2 does not stop here. Please stand back from the platform edge. Platform 1 for the 14:55 Stepford Connect service to Leighton City. Calling at Water Newton, Rocket Parade, Leighton Stepford Road, and Leighton City. This train is formed of 4 coaches.
This is Upper Staplow. This train is for Leighton City. The next station is Water Newton. Welcome on board this Stepford Connect service to Leighton City. We will be calling at Water Newton, Rocket Parade, Leighton Stepford Road, and Leighton City. The next station is Water Newton. We will shortly be arriving at Water Newton. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform. This is Water Newton. This train is for Leighton City. The next station is Rocket Parade.
Platform 2 for the 14:57 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Victoria. Calling at Upper Staplow, Hampton Hargate, Benton Bridge, Benton, Coxley, Bowdon, Angel Pass, St Helens Bridge.
Welcome on board this Stepford Connect service to Leighton City. The next station is Rocket Parade. We will shortly be arriving at Rocket Parade. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Stepford Road and Leighton City. This train is formed of 4 coaches.
Rocket Parade. This train is for Leighton City. The next station is Leighton Stepford Road. Welcome on board.